Got a cough that just won't quit? Here are 3 quick home remedies you can try, straight from your kitchen. First up, honey with warm water. Honey coats the throat and helps reduce irritation. Sip slowly. Much better. Next, ginger tea. Ginger has natural anti-inflammatory powers. Boil a few slices for 5 minutes, strain, and enjoy warm. And number 3, steam inhalation. It loosens mucus and eases coughing. Just be careful with the hot water. Try these remedies for gentle, natural relief. And if your cough lasts more than a week, check with a doctor. Stay healthy.